Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install One UI 8.5 dark 3D icons on your any Galaxy device. So let's begin. Okay guys, first go to Play Store, search One UI 8.5 dark icons, and guys download these icons on your Galaxy device. This is actually paid icons, but this is really awesome. I mean, this is completely look like official One UI 8.5 3D icons. So after download this icon, go to Galaxy Store, download Good Lock and open. After open, download theme park, and guys after download open theme park, go to icons, tap on create new. You can see One UI 8.5 dark icons. Simply select, rename, and apply. After apply, you can see guys beautiful dark 3D icons, One UI 8.5 3D icons on your Galaxy device. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.